A perfect tree. Bird lived in a tree. I love my tree, she said. It's in a nice quiet part, and I can see the ocean. One day, Bird was sleeping. Boom, bonk. What made that sound? Asked Bird. Bird looked up, but she didn't see anything. Bird went to sleep. Boom, bonk. Ouch, said Bird. Bird looked up again, but she still didn't see anything. Bird went back to sleep again. Crash, bonk, boom. Acorns, cried Bird. Where did these come from? Bird looked up and saw a chipmunk. Sorry, said the chipmunk. Oh, that's okay. What are you doing with all these acorns? I'm moving it, said the chipmunk. You're moving it? Asked Bird. Yes, said the chipmunk. I'm moving into this hole. My name is Skip. I'm your new neighbor.
Lại Long Hậu Hậu của con tiếp rồi. Tự dưng em nói luôn. Bé làm hỏng rồi.
Đang nói ngon lành tự dưng bé